This deck is Astro Animals and Spirit Guides. We are doing one quick card pulls to see which spirit animal is with you today. Okay, it's going to be that one. Beautiful cards. The coyote is with us today. This is representation of Mercury, Jupiter, Sagittarius. The message from the coyote, or what the coyote represents, is changing shape, adjusting to sudden situations or changes. Laughter. The message that they want you to remember is not to take your life too seriously. Can you resonate with the coyote? What the message is that's coming through today? Maybe you'll see one. Maybe you'll hear one. See if the universe brings you synchronicity as you move throughout your day with the energy of the coyote. Namaste.